Hi everyone, so we're on our way to Ikea again. This is Paul, and we're at the station here in Zurich. And guess what? Yes, we're well equipped. So this is another clip. We're at Stadelhofen, and this is the train station here. We're gonna catch another train called the S7. And then we're going to catch a bus. But let me just tell you, we just got here maybe a minute and a half ago, and the S7 is coming in 7 minutes. So it always seems to give you enough time to walk to your next stop and get the next mode of transportation. It's just seamless. So anyway, here we are at Stadelhofen. By the way, this is my favorite station. It's a big station, and you can also go shopping here downstairs. Downstairs. And even on Sunday you can do that. So it's really quite a nice place. Stadelhofen. So now we're on the next train, which is S7. Looks like this. And we're on our way to Orlacon. Yeah, I'm talking quietly because it's very quiet on the train today. Oh boy. I'll see you guys, okay? I'll see you at Orlacon. We're gonna pick up a bus. We're still on the train, but we're at a station called Hardbrücke, and the next station is our station, which is Orlacon. This is an industrial part of the city. You know, tourists would not be coming here. It's still clean, you know, here in Zurich. So yeah, it's really still an advanced city, very advanced. Hardbrücke. So here we are in Orlacon. We have gone under the tracks and come up an elevator, and we're on this side. There's the train. This is one of the tracks, and we're going to be catching a bus in this intersection here. And the bus is called 7B787. It's across the street here. But Orlacon is an up-and-coming, no, I'm not even gonna say up-and-coming. It's a really good neighborhood, and lots of young people, diverse population. The rents are a little bit lower here, and there's, you know, a lot of growth here. So Orlacon. Now we're gonna catch the bus.
And there's more diversity.
Oh yeah, I said that. Yeah, there's much more diversity here. So yeah, we're gonna catch a bus over there, and I'll see you on the bus, okay?
This is either a bookstore or a library.
Library?
I just saw the logo.
Bibliothek is library. Bibliothek is a library. I'm still talking. I should end this section, but look.
I think it is a library.
Yeah, Bibliothek is library, and here it is. Neri and I really like Orlacon. It's the middle of the city.
I would like to explore more.
We're going to explore Orlacon a little bit more in the future, okay? So as you can see, we're here with our cart, you know, our Burley Travoy. This thing, guys, I can't tell you how much I love this thing. It's amazing. And we take it everywhere. And shopping, so we're on our way to Ikea. We're on the bus right now, as you can see. The bus. And that's outside. That's Orlacon station area. There's a library over here. It's just, yeah, we're like just such in town. So we're on the bus, and this is our last form of transportation, and we're on our way to Ikea, okay? Let's end with this Travoy here. And of course, you know, it attaches to my bike this way. So right now we're just walking with it, right? So I do this and this, and that's where it attaches right here to my bike. Now when I'm walking with it, I have this handle down, I have this handle up and I hold it like this. And I suggest for Burley to make a handle right here so that people can grab it and walk it that way. It just seems easier to have that extension there. Let me put this down. Okay, so let's go on our way to Ikea. Alright, see you guys. I'll get back with you when we're at Ikea. So, here we are. We just left Ikea. And this is some of the things we have here. We have a shelving, not shelf, this is not shelf, this is a clothing rack. And this is the Travoy loaded down. There's the lower bag and here's the upper bag, and both bags are loaded down. And there's Mary, and she has a bag. Say hi. And so we're coming back from Ikea. We're on the bus here, you see, in Zurich. And I'll see you at Orlacon when the bus lets us off, okay? Bye-bye. Hello, everyone. Hi. So, we decided to make a little bit of a change, and we decided to take a tram instead of a train that goes much faster. The train goes much faster than a tram. Tram has more stops. We decided to take a tram from the bus stop there, and it brought us down here to Stadelhofen. This is at the south end of Zurich, and this is one of my favorite places. It stops, actually, train stops. And this is, of course, the Travoy. So Mary just went into that Migros over there, and she's doing some shopping. And I just wanted to show you where we were. So we're here at Stadelhofen. We're going to catch that train that's over there. Can you see it behind me? That train, that orange and yellow train, is going to come around, and we're going to catch it on this side and take it home to Zurich, where we live. So, okay, we're here at Stadelhofen station on the train, getting ready to go home. There's Mary. She's on her phone. Wave hi, Mary. Yeah, we just came from Ikea, you know. So here's our Travoy, all loaded down. Look at this. Very heavy, and the bag at the bottom is full. And then, of course, we have some shelving here that couldn't fit in. I think I could have made it work if I had thought about it. I would not have brought this bag, and then I would put this box in the bag here. Okay, but I didn't think about that. I could have done that, and I just didn't plan ahead enough. Anyway, so we want to thank you for coming with us on these little trips that we have here in Zurich, and we're on our way back to Zurich. And behind us is the train station, Stadelhofen. That's what it looks like. There's a fountain, there's pigeons, lots of bicycles, lots of people. There's a tram that goes next to us here. This is quite a station. It's an old station, very old, but it's like everything else. here in Zurich. Very neat, very organized. All the trains run on time. This is what we really, really appreciate about Zurich. So, if you have any comments, write some comments. If you'd like to, okay, I understand. Thank you. All right, so we'll see you later. Bye-bye. Hi, everyone. So, we're back home. Hi. And I wanted to show you what we brought back from Ikea. And I laid everything out here. We have some of these shelves, and I think I can use this for some of the camera equipment I have on this one shelf. It's pretty messy. And then Mary wanted these two. I think Mary wanted to use a couple of these as well. And then a mixing bowl and some more containers and some dried onions. And this is very, very good. A drill, a little light, extension cable. We got some dime candy, markers, rope, and some little cinnamon rolls. We also have this hanging rack for clothes that I'm going to put up. That looks like another video. And a couple other things. Let me jump to those. I don't know how anyone can come back from Ikea unless you get some of these snappy, very dry oatmeal cookies. Yeah, they don't sound like they taste good, but they are, woof, amazing. And then we got some of these hot pads in their cork. Okay, so that is what we bought at Ikea. It wasn't a very big haul at all. It was easy, and it was fun getting out and getting into town. So thank you for coming with us. I can't say enough about this Travoy, Burley Travoy. Can't say enough. It's just helped us out so much. And of course, here's the bag that goes on top. It goes up here, and then here's the big bag that carries other things. All right, here's our stuff, and I'll see you guys later. If you have any comments, or if you want to press the like button, or if you want to subscribe, that's all up to you. Thank you. Bye-bye.